process, freak!
Luigi, what are you doing?
He's been a bad boy, Mario. He needs some spankings.
He needs some spankings?
Yes, he does.
I've been waiting for this.
Go ahead, Mario. Go get it.
Oh, I will. All right.
Detected. I have an idea. Let's take a pillowcase, fill it up with bars of soap, and beat the shit out of him.
I like that. I really like that.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right.
All right, Mario, hold him down for me.
Emergency. User dead.
Okay, we need to get this mustache off his face.
Yeah, what a poser.
I'm not a poser, you tried on me!
Lie.
I know what to do to liars.
Major fracture detected.
Yeah, that's what you deserve.
Yeah, that's exactly what you deserve. All right.